To change notification sound for siren sound alerts in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap sound notification and then tap open sound notification. Next, tap setting icon at the top right. Under preferences section, tap sound type. While the alert for sound notification is set to allow sound and vibration, tap notification categories. Under emergency section, tap siren. While the alert for siren notification is set to alert, tap sound. Now select the desired sound you like to use. Tap the back button. Now your phone will play the selected sound when sound notification feature is on and it detects siren sound near you. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.